masters of the craft truly do exist among the people. So, here's this young guy who walks into a big woodworking factory, applying for the position of technical director. And guess what? He boldly asks for a $300,000 annual salary. The boss chuckles, doesn't say a word, and throws him a rotten tree root. He tells the guy to create a piece of art out of it within the given time or get out. The seasoned craftsmen nearby couldn't stay calm. They thought this young guy was way too arrogant, daring to ask for such a high salary. Everyone was laughing, ready to watch him fail spectacularly. But our young man took a look at the rotten wood and, without hesitation, got to work. Now, let's watch how he carves a stunning piece of art, showcasing his incredible woodworking skills. This young man learned woodworking from his father since he was a kid and has amassed a wealth of experience in various techniques and methods. In his village, their craftsmanship is known for miles around. He starts by trimming and preparing the tree root, then moves on to carving with a machine, executing each step smoothly and skillfully. The seasoned craftsmen, initially skeptical, began to murmur, some starting to rethink their opinions, realizing this guy might actually have some serious skills. Next, he uses a grinder to polish and smooth the piece. A snake's model starts to appear, looking incredibly lifelike. The polishing is seamless, the tool fitting perfectly in his hands. He goes back to the carving machine, meticulously refining the details. With his swift and precise actions, a beautiful work of art emerges, almost coming to life. But what does it look like to you? Drop your guesses in the comments. The boss, clearly impressed, praises the young man's skill and immediately hires him. The other craftsmen, left speechless, had no choice but to accept the reality. So, what do you think of this masterpiece? If you enjoyed this, give a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. More amazing content coming your way in the next episode.